organized. That's just the best term to use for it. It's not organized at all, so I couldn't tell you where things are. So we're still going with one product themed videos. And this product is going to be a loose setting powder. So, like all the other Sunday videos, I'm going to be showing you how to apply it to your face, obviously. And I hope that you guys enjoy this one product video. And before we get started, make sure to take a moment, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video, which is Sunday today and Tuesdays. Tuesdays I do product reviews. And also make sure to follow my Instagram because I have been posting on that as well. Yay! So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Using the Lock It setting powder, I always begin my powdering process by doing a base layer all over my face. Next, I sort of do an express bake situation under my eyes, and then I go down the bridge of my nose and in the center of my chin. Finally, I powder under my neck.